with the social activists. Thank you. Now I invite Ravinder, Vice President Damsa, to chair the session.
I invite Mr. President Veeranna to give the momentary.
Honorable guests and my dear friends. DAV MSA, Dalit Adivasi Bahujana Minority Students Association, started off as DB MSA in 2002. However, the exact inception of the organization can be attributed to the resignation of 10 Dalit students in Hyderabad State University in 2001, which has sparked of debates about the conditions of Dalits and other minorities in higher education sector all over India. Its MA programs were started in CFL in 2000. Then it had only 3 SC students pursuing research studies with a maximum of 15 to 20 students in MA and PGDT. The resignation of 10 Dalit students in University of Hyderabad sensitized the students in CFL who got seriously involved with the issues concerning the Dalit students. As part of the mobilization, the Hyderabad Dalit Students Collective (HDSC) was formed with Dalit students of CFL, Osmania University, Telugu University, Nizam College, University of Hyderabad, Acharya N.G. Ranga Agricultural University to give a platform for voicing the oppression faced by Dalits and to support the students academically and psychologically and for a greater unity. CFL also began to witness some of the activities encouraged by this forum, thereby mobilizing students, teachers as well as non-teaching staff. Thus the struggle, which began with demanding what was our right as provided by the Constitution, saw the sensitization and polarization of the campus. The HDSC gave inspiration to form a civil organization comprising Dalits, Vagijans and Muslim minorities all over. This initiative was the beginning of DAMSA in 2002. DBMSA was formed in the year 2002 under the political turbulence which was influenced by the BJP government setting up ABVP outfits on the campus. DBMSA was supported by our seniors who sensed a grave danger, protested against and they created a platform through which the issues related to SCs, STs, BCs and minorities were represented and resolved. In year 2003, the Dalit Bahujana Minority Students Association contested in the Participants Association election, which was the only students' body recognized by the institute and had considerable success. Soon, however, they faced criticism from within the organization for failing to address certain issues pertaining to some sections. In 2007, the CFL became a central university, called the English and Foreign Languages University by a Parliament Act in 2007. Meanwhile, there were changes happening within the DBMSA and it became DAVMSA by giving way to the assertion to be represented by the Adivasis. The organization thus takes pride in successfully mobilizing the student community and making them realize the right to assert oneself in the society. With the formation of DBMSA, we started questioning the issues like implementation of reservation admissions, which never happened until 50 years of inception of SYL CFL. Provision of scholarship, reimbursement of fee for professional courses, problems dealing the grading, asking for transparency in conducting examinations and interviews, especially for the research scholars and so on. The present EC members of DAMSA believe that nothing can change without the understanding of the society. We therefore organize drafts and discussions which will enhance the understanding of the society. Recently, we organized a talk regarding the Babri Masjid building, where eminent speakers and from social and various social and political speakers who enlightened us with their views and helped us see what was actually happening. Today's event is a continuation of the programs that is happening in recent time, and we think this will help how to understand society through a better view. Thank you.
Respected friends, मेरे दोस्त मोहतरम गिलानी साहब जो जो दिल्ली से यहाँ पर आए हैं और हमारे बुजुर्ग बरबरा साहब, कांचालिया साहब और मेरे साथी कृष्णा साहब जो हमारे ह्यूमन राइट एक्टिविस्ट के साथ हैं। मैं सबसे पहले दलित, आदिवासी, बहुजन, माइनॉरिटीज स्टूडेंट्स एसोसिएशन को मुबारकबाद देता हूँ कि वो इस मौके पर इस तरह के सेमिनार का यहाँ पर इनेकाद किए हैं। ये एक डेयरिंग स्टेप है। मैं ये समझता हूँ ऐसे हालात में इन लोगों के साथ या हम जैसे लोगों को बुलाकर आप इस तरह का सेमिनार जो रखे हैं, इसके लिए आप काबिल मुबारकबाद हैं। सबसे पहली बात, क्योंकि इतना कुछ हो चुका है बाबरी मस्जिद का वर्डिक्ट आने के बाद, लेकिन हैदराबाद में एक तरह की खामोशी है। अभी तक किसी ने उस ताल्लुक से खुलकर कोई बात करने की कोशिश नहीं की। साथ में यहाँ पर तेलंगाना का मूवमेंट जो चल रहा है, लेकिन तेलंगाना के साथ कश्मीर का मसला भी उतना ही पुराना है जितना कि तेलंगाना का मसला है, तो उस पर भी आज तक किसी ने बात नहीं की। तो इफ्लू के स्टूडेंट्स और ख़ासतौर पर DA BMSA के साथी मुबारकबाद के मुस्तहिक हैं और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि उनका ये प्रोग्राम, ये उनकी जो जद्दोजहद या इनका स्ट्रगल जो है वो कंटिन्यू रहेगा और जारी रहेगा। सबसे पहले मैं अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देता हूँ। यहाँ के बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट जो हैं वो मुझसे आके मिलते रहते हैं ह्यूमन राइट्स के वायलेशन पर। कई रिसर्च स्कॉलर्स हैं जो मैंने इंटरव्यूज ले चुके हैं तो वो हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है सिविल लिबर्टीज मॉनिटरिंग कमेटी और हम वर्क करते हैं सिविल लिबर्टीज और ह्यूमन राइट्स के वायलेशन के अगेंस्ट में, क्योंकि हम देखते हैं कि हमारे अतराफ में जो लोग हैं उनके ऊपर स्टेट वायलेंस जो है वो रोज़ बरोज़ बढ़ता जा रहा है और उसके अगेंस्ट में बात करने वाले लोग रोज़ कम होते जा रहे हैं। तो इसीलिए हम लोग जो है राइट्स पर काम करने के लिए और डाउन राइडर्स जो लोग हैं उनके साथ खड़े होने के लिए हम काम करते हैं। इस तरह से मैं बोलते हुए मैं अपनी बात कुछ इंग्लिश में, कुछ उर्दू में, कुछ तेलुगु में इस तरह रखते हुए आगे बढ़ाऊंगा। जहाँ तक आज के जो मीटिंग है इसके ताल्लुक से मुझे ये बताया गया है कि स्टेट एंड पीपुल्स मूवमेंट, so how the state is repressing the people's movement all over India. Here we are seeing one movement, that is Telangana movement, and we are with the Telangana movement. It is clear, there is no doubt. In Rajshekar Reddy's regime, he defamed Muslims by saying that Muslims are against Telangana. But by forming Muslim Forum for Telangana, we have given a fitting reply to Rajshekar Reddy that Muslims are not against Telangana. Muslims are with the Telangana movement. They are standing. Now they are in forefront because in United Andhra we are the sufferers. क्योंकि यूनाइटेड आंध्रा में हमारा सब कुछ चले गया, हमारा घर चले गया, हमारा आंगन चले गया, हमारा कल्चर चले गया, हमारी लैंग्वेज चले गई, हमारे पास कुछ भी बाकी ना रहा। हम लोग घर से जो है सड़क पे आ गए। हमारे घर के खवातीन, you know Muslim women, they are always prefer to live in their homes, but you can see now in everywhere, in every road and corners, you can see a Muslim burqa-clad woman by taking the money for sake of money. So this is the condition of Muslims in the United Andhra Pradesh. That's why we Muslims are sufferers, but by continuous struggle we came forward and Muslims became aware, and now they are with the Telangana movement, and almost all the major Muslim sections and Muslim, they belongs to Muslim social organizations. They are working for Telangana movement.